morning. My name is Marci Mason, and I am the manager for the breakdown department for May Trucking. I've been with May Trucking for over 7 years. The first 5 was actually as an over-the-road driver, and then I transferred into the dispatch department and then over to breakdown, and have been there for the last 2 years and enjoying it very much. I never wanted to be treated how I'd been treated when I was a driver. And so for me, it was like, I don't want to be treated that way. I always want to be treated treat somebody else the way I want to be treated. When I worked nights, I had 5 or 6 drivers, all experienced drivers, all been with us, fantastic, good personalities, and don't condemn new drivers for not knowing. And when I would have an issue, I would see if one of those drivers was around, and if they were, I'd have them go over and help that driver do something. Might be as simple as sliding the tandems, but they will give them their tricks. Everybody's happy, and usually that experienced driver will give that driver their phone number that says, if you have a problem, call me. Now they have a good contact. They have somebody they can go to for questions and move down the line. I've been on the side of the road with a flat tire, or I've been at a consignee that they're out there yelling at you because you're not in the dock because you can't slide your tandems. Been there, understand that. I have multiple parts of my team that are all ex-drivers, but I have part of my teams that have never driven. And I make sure they understand what it's like to be out there. And we handle stuff that has nothing to do with breakdowns. And I love giving drivers tricks. Our trailers will get dropped too low for a driver to get underneath it. And it's like, I've had drivers call me and I'm like, okay, let's try this. And they'll get underneath it. And they're like, I did it. Perfect. But they'll keep those pieces of wood I recommended. I'll talk to them 6 months later. They're like, yeah, still got it. All of our drivers that are like that 4 to 5 year and older, because we've got drivers that have been with us for 25, 30 years. You never hear from them. When you hear from them, it's a problem. My new drivers, we hear from them 2-3 times a day, which we expect. And I tell my team, you're gonna get the same question every day. Multiple drivers, it may be the same driver 10 times. Don't care, answer the question. So it's, understanding, a lot of some of the minor troubleshooting stuff, but being able to understand the troubleshooting stuff.